Hey guys, this video has been put together for you just to help you understand the difference between an issue and a main contention within a persuasive text. So I'm going to go over the difference with a few examples for you, and then you'll be all set up to complete your task on Schoology. So first of all, I want to talk about the issue of a persuasive text. So the issue is basically just the general topic that a persuasive text is about. In your analysis, the issue can be identified and expressed in a word or a few words. It certainly doesn't have to be long. I would recommend that it is not too long. So for instance, a couple of issues might be COVID-19, gender pay equality, or drink driving. Of course, you can see these are just singular words or a couple of words. It's not meant to be a long process to explain what the issue is. It is the general topic that the article or persuasive text is about. So when we're talking about the contention, I know you guys know what a contention is because obviously we wrote contentions in our essay. The main contention of a persuasive text is the writer's presented point of view on the issue. Now, a writer's main contention is often expressed in a single sentence early in their written piece, but not always. So, for example, if we're looking at the issue of COVID-19, one main contention might be that people are not taking the lockdown for COVID-19 seriously. So that is one contention that could be expressed on the issue of COVID-19. Another contention that could be expressed for gender pay equality might be women footballers should have the opportunity to earn the same amount as men. So that is a contention. And if we're looking at the issue of drink driving, one contention might be that young people are not warned enough about the dangers of drink driving. So you can see that there are a multitude of contentions that could be had on a particular issue. It does vary. So for instance, there could be a whole bunch of different contentions that could be had on the issue of COVID-19. It might not be that people are not taking the lockdown seriously. It might be that the lockdown for COVID-19 is overblown and exaggerated. It's too much. That could be a contention as well. So your contention is the writer of the persuasive text's point of view. Now, as an example, if we're talking about issue and contention, I've given you an article to read that I hope that you read before you watch this video. If not, I recommend that you pause this video, go and read the article, and then come back so you'll understand the issue and contention that I'm about to explain. It's a very short article that I've put up there for you. So the issue that's presented in the article that I've put on Schoology for you is religious persecution. The contention is that Christianity is the most persecuted religion in the world. Now, this article was a pretty easy one to identify the contention because the contention is basically the title of the article. Not all persuasive texts are this easy. But I just wanted to highlight for you an example of identifying the issue and the contention as two separate pieces of information. A lot of times students skip over identifying the issue of an article because it is actually so simple. It almost feels like a trick. It's too easy. It almost feels like it's not something you should have to say. But any good analysis should always be thorough, and you need to be able to show the assessor of your work that you can differentiate between an issue and a contention. So it should always be stated what the issue is of a particular persuasive text and what the contention is. I hope this has been helpful for you. Good luck with your task.